Hi guys, Ronald KZN. Welcome to my channel. Shuro TN. It's a lovely day. Beaches are empty. So you guys are familiar with this area. This is what's happening this morning. Lovely day for the beach. If you guys know this area, comment. Let me know if you know this area. If you haven't viewed this area before, click on that baby, hit on the notification. Yeah. Okay. Cheers guys. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned.